is JV Radio back again. Welcome people, I hope you're alright and I hope you're doing okay. And we have a few topics we want to talk about today, as I can see the title below. And before we get jumpy, calm down, watch the video today, you know. But with any further ado, let's jump straight into the video. The first time here, share, subscribe now, click that bell icon to turn on your post notification. Yeah, my people. So we want to just jump straight on the topic them now. We don't want each pan none of them, my people. So watch now, we're here to talk about this senior police female here that actually was caught in a viral video. You know, sex tape, of course, it gone viral, my viewers, subscribers, you see it. And we don't want to talk about that yet, we are saving it for last. But I could talk about this one here, no? Members of JCF and JDF went in an operation in Kingston acting off intelligent, my viewers, subscribers. Now, when them arrive on the scene, you see it, I mean, them attempt to kick off the door. But before me even say anything, my viewers, subscribers, because I get some more information as to what really happened, you know, watch this video for yourself, and then we're going to talk about it. Subscribers, me I wonder if this was just a foul play or if this was just a training session for both these two groups, the JCF and JDF, because them spend minutes, almost an hour try get in at the house. But quite frankly, all them minutes and hours the waste I try get in at the house, I try lick off a little piece of lock where my little sister can take a little stone and lick off. It better than the car locksmith. It better than the car locksmith, or at least get one key or try pick the lock, because my viewer subscribers. Now, them two trained people here, you know, like them two trained group here, security enforcers are members of the security force, I try getting at this house here, you know. And this piece of lock here, this lick, and I want to lock them where anybody can breach. You see them spend hours on this little lock here. My viewers, subscribers, like I was wondering if it was really a case where them did really want to get in at the house, or them just they try something. But my viewers, subscribers, the man them use board, the man them use stone. I don't know what the man them use, and the man them still can't get off the lock. And to tell you the truth, the lock just, you know them little, back in the day something that where granny used to like, our grandfather used to nail on the outside kitchen door, man. The little lock they would nail on with two nail, where you can just break it off and nail them fly out. And a little cheap lock them on normal put on bag when we go on summer school camp or something like that. That are the lock with upon the door. And me I tell them, if you don't see it, it take them and them still never get in it. Like the soldier youth a try, like in lick it. Me don't know if in 2 days or what. In lick it. Why? But he might try beat it off still. And it not come off. Then it look like a senior police got here now, think him couldn't lick it off. Him try. And nobody still never able to get off this little lock here. So in my mind, me I say, yo, it better than the car locksmith. Or in any event, anytime when I go upon a person again, I don't care locksmith to do no. I cut a key. Well, I don't know when I cut a key still, but I walk with something, you know them big something where you see in a movie where them lick off it with them with. I don't even want them the man, because my people, the man they spend hours I try lick off one little lock up and bag. I still couldn't get it off. My viewer subscribers, me therefore I wonder if it's a training session or if it's just Me don't know how to describe the video, my people. But it couldn't have been something serious based off for me here. You see me? The man him here say, yo, I wanted man living at the house. But it appears that if the man never did at the time, because the man done here say, yo, the man him a circle him. So the man never did it. So they might try corral the place when the bad not dead, or them think them would go to go somewhere, but them go to go see the door lock. So they must try gain access to the house now for state they can get whatever information or evidence them can get or contraband or whatever. But it look like them feel, I mean, if them they just give up and just go back home. Because to tell you the truth, based off of how it look like them just give up and just leave. But my viewers, subscribers, one thing, me personally think to them they need locksmith, or they need to carry locksmith on them operation. They even do just a lock wake up on them, make a backpack the way anybody can breach. But me don't know my people. Comment in the comment section below now. We're moving along. So, remember when the Roman Reigns video go viral, and it was one of the biggest thing. Like the man make ice cream start sell. Me don't know how. Me don't know how the van was not give him a promotion and make him big grand ambassador for them ice cream. But ice cream start sell. The man all up on face of ice cream. Man of the face of ice cream and all these things, my people. You see, which was making the runs for a week or two. You know them, some of them go, everybody want a video and everybody want to watch and critique, whatever. Now, me just get a video. You see it? Well, not only me alone, it's a video where I circulate there from the other day. You see it gone viral, it reach all foreign. Of this female police officer in her ranks too. You see it, she a go on wicked, my viewers, subscribers. You know me like describe them things here. You know, but auntie have handcuff on her hand. Like, I don't know. You have to take bad things, make joking on my people. But auntie have handcuff on her hand. I don't know if I work handcuff she have, or the government handcuff. Well, government want to know, say auntie all have her handcuff in a blue movie. You see it, and she a go on with it wicked. She a go on with it wicked. Big things, my people. And you know the procedure. Like, if you don't want the video, you can link me for the video, because you don't know what I'm going to send on it. I'm going to send as much as, and this is not no cap, because most of the time them people see we do video like this and things say we make up to get views or whatever, or we don't actually have a video. Like any video see me come talk about any leak tape or whatever, I always have video. Me nah gonna come talk about something and me don't have pictures or videos or whatever. We always have them something, because from time to time people link we and send them things about we have it. You see it, I'm not doing nobody a talk about it still. I mean, I guess it's okay if you see a female I give head, while it's not for like if you see a man I give a female head, because me I tell you, if it was an ex-police officer, it probably would have gone viral too and people don't talk about it. But I guess people choose not to talk about it because it's a female and it's come like at the norm of society now for female do it. But the way she handcuff my viewers, subscribers and not go on, me not surprised if I go up on Pornhub tomorrow and see her. Me not surprised, my people. But no one can link me for the video and me will send on it. It's interesting, more want to watch it till you see me, and me not call her name, me get picture her in her uniform, but me not put that out there, of course, you know. But my viewers, subscribers, comment an opinion in the comments section below. Not to mention, give this video a like and ensure you subscribe to the channel. You know, share the video, leave some comments. Until next time, just vibes video. I'm out.